Have you ever wondered who maintains the camera systems and lighting on West Virginia's roadways? In this week's edition of WVDOT in Motion, we talk with those crews and share some safety reminders for drivers. The West Virginia DOH works to ensure that roadway lighting and CCTV cameras are functioning properly to keep our daily commutes smooth.
We take care of the CCTVs, DMSs, weather stations, and all of the roadway lighting throughout the state of West Virginia.
That work includes a variety of maintenance that's often done dozens of feet in the air.
We do the maintenance on that we can do. What we don't do, there's a contractor that, for a maintenance contract, that does. We reset cameras, we work on modems. We also work on change some of the panels and things in the DMSs.
These crews work in smaller areas than your typical construction zone, so be sure to take it slow and keep an eye out for workers.
Anytime you see cones on the side of the road or you see vehicles with flashing lights, we're all just looking for a space because we all want to go home at the end of the day to our families as well.
Be sure to stay with us for all things happening with the West Virginia Department of Transportation. We'll see you next week on WVDOT in Motion.